Hello everyone. So I've come up with previous year questions from trigonometry. So today's question is from year 2013 and it is a very simple, very easy question. Sine A is given. So if sine A is 8 upon 17, we have to find out other trigonometric ratios for angle A. So for this we would need a right angle triangle. So I've made this triangle for you. This is triangle ABC which is right angled at B. And since we are given sine A, I have marked A here, okay? A is marked. Now we know that longest side is hypotenuse. So this AC is hypotenuse. Now I have also marked perpendicular and base. But as I have told in my earlier video also, if you have not watched my video of trigonometric formulas, please watch that. In that video I have given you simple tricks to memorize trigonometric formulas without putting much effort. Now since we are given angle A, the side which is opposite to angle A is our perpendicular. So BC is perpendicular and side which is adjacent to our angle is base. So base is AB. So now since we have recognized our hypotenuse, base and perpendicular, we can move ahead. So we are given that sine A is equals to 8 upon 17. That means ratio of sine A is 8 upon 17 and sine A is what? It is P upon H. That means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So basically we are given the ratio of hypotenuse and perpendicular upon hypotenuse we are given. So since ratios are given, we cannot say that perpendicular is 8 and hypotenuse is 17 because this 8 by 17 is ratio. Perpendicular can be 16, hypotenuse can be 34, then also the ratio would be 8 by 17. So that is the reason we are considering it as a multiple of x. 8 and 17 are multiple of x. In that case, you know, x will get striked off with x and then we'll have the ratio 8 upon 17. So we can say that let's assume that p is equals to 8x and h is equals to 17x. Then the condition that is given that sine A is 8 upon 17, that is the ratio of p by h is 17, then that will be fulfilled. And we now need base. H is given, h is 17x, it is given, and p is given, which is 8x. Now we need b to find out all these trigonometric ratios. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out b also, because you know, in any right angle triangle, if we have two arms, we can find out the third side by using Pythagoras theorem. So we can simply say that base square is equal plus perpendicular square is equals to hypotenuse square. This is what the Pythagoras theorem says. So from here we can find out b. So b square would be h square minus p square, and from here we can say that b is equals to the square root of h square minus p square. Now we can simply place the values. H is 17x, so we place 17x whole square minus p is 8x, so we simply place 8x square. Now we can solve it. So b is equals to square root of 17 square is 289, so this is 289x square minus 8 8s are 64x square, and when you deduct it you will get square root of 225x square, and 225 is square of 15, so we have 15x. So now we have the value of b also, which is 15x. Okay, now we can find out all the trigonometric ratios. So all the t ratios we can write down. See, we are already given sine A, which is 8 upon 17. and then cos A would be B upon H. B is 15, H is 17. So cos A would be B upon H, which is 15x upon 17x. X gets cancelled and it is 15 by 17. Then next is tan A. Tan A is P upon B. P is 8x, B is 15x. So tan A is P upon B. P is 8x and B is 15x. Again x gets cancelled and we have 8 upon 15. Fine. Now cosec A. We know cosec is reciprocal of sine. So we have sine as 8 upon 17. So cosec would be 17 by 8. Similarly, sec A is reciprocal of cos. Cos A. Cos is 15 by 17. So sec would be 17 by 15. Similarly, cot A is reciprocal of tan A. Since tan is 8 by 15, cot would be 15 by 8. So this is how we find out the trigonometric ratios if any one ratio is given. Okay, so I hope you liked it and you have understood it. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.